You can delete all ChatGPT search history at once. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google ChatGPT. Okay, so here I have opened my ChatGPT app here, and you can see I have two chart history here. So first I'm going to show you how you can delete one by one. So just go over that chart and just go to the three dot option, and you can delete from here. So this option is you can use to delete one by one, but if you want to delete all chart at once, so you need to go in this option, that your profile icon, go to the settings, and under setting in general you will see the option called delete all chart. Now you need to click on this delete all chart, then chart will be delete automatically. You can see the all chart has been deleted. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.